Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. It is a GATE 2017 question asked from the subject Database Management System for 1 mark. The question given is an ER model of a database consists of entity types A and B. These are connected by a relationship R, which does not have its own attributes. Under which one of the following conditions can the relational table, means this one, for R be merged with that of A? This R is to be merged with that of A. Now what is an option A says? Relationship R is one to many. If it is one to many, you can expect a key constraint from the B side. Okay, from B side you can expect a key constraint, not from A side. If key constraint is there from B side, this relationship table, whatever is there between A and B, is to be merged with B side. Because it is merged with B side, option A is incorrect. Now look for option B. Relation R is one to many. Again it is saying that one to many itself. Because if it is one to many, you can expect a key constraint only from B side, so that this relationship is to be merged with B side. But question is saying it should be merged with A side. So option B is incorrect. Now look for option C. Relationship R is many to one. Now between A and B, we have a relationship R with cardinality many to one. Because many to one, we have a key constraint from the many side, and the participation of A in R is total participation. And actually this total participation says that every entity of A associated with exactly one entity of B. And because many to one, we have a key constraint from A side, because we have a key constraint from A side, this relationship R is to be merged with A. Now because question is R be merged with that of A, so option C is correct option. And look for the option D. In option D, it is also given relationship R is many to one between A and B. Because the participation of R is partial, so it means at most one relationship is possible from A to B. So because many to one, we have a key constraint from many side, means A side. So it means R is to be merged with A. But the participation of A in R is partial. It means there exists some A that may participate with B, may not participate with B. Means participation is partial. But here you see, if there is A that definitely participate with 1B. If there is A that definitely participate with 1B. So that R is to be merged with A, and because total participation from A side, the best approach is that R is to be merged with A if the participation is total. This is the most appropriate answer for the question. So answer for this question is option C. So option D is also correct, but we can say when it comes to the option C and D, because in option D nulls are possible because participation is partial, but in option C nulls are not possible because participation is total. So we conclude the answer for the question is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.